since August 2023. I'm passionate about supporting clients and organizations in the topics of managing risks for procurement, supply chain topics, and driving efficiency and productivity with my own consulting business. With over 2 decades of experience in procurement supply chain, I think I'm very good equipped for most of the consultations with Dialectica and the clients, and I like this exchange. It also forces me to really keep up with market insights, benchmarks, to deliver and keep delivering high quality work. I think that is what is very important in this context. I concluded a 22-year career with Linde, a global leading industrial gas manufacturer and engineering company, in January 2023 when I left Linde. And over this time I was involved in, let's say, the journey from a locally decentralized organization towards a high-performing, globally centralized team. And during the last 4 years in Linde, I was heading the plant operations procurement team and responsible for the post-merger integration of this team and building a high-performing team there. Often consultation with Dialectica and its clients and partners is really to help contributing with my expertise, with my ideas to a strategic decision, for example. And this is for me a highly rewarding topic, as I can really leverage with my expertise and help clients. And that's the most important thing for me about doing this type of consultations. And sometimes it's like it's not only a 1-hour call, but it could be also kind of a longer engagement, and then you can work with different variety of clients and partners. So I like it a lot. It is not only sustainability, which is one of the key topics driving the whole industry, basically the whole world as we know it, but it's also like the digital transformation and how you can really combine in a very smart way the impacts from process automation, for example, and all this digitalization of existing processes, but with the knowledge of experienced teams and really combine that in a very smart way. And this is also going along with creating a more like end-to-end visibility in the supply chain, because of all this, let's say, impacts, disruptions around the globe, it is more and more important to have a really agile, resilient supply chain. And the more, let's say, strong supplier partnerships you have really worked out with your suppliers, the more you can really strive and really can adapt to changing environments. And I saw potential in that. That's one of my key motivations to really help clients like Dialectica and help through Dialectica other clients, but also with my own business in advising companies. And I think it's a big trend. It goes along also with a change or adaptation of the operating model of procurement and supply chain teams. It is really important to make a smart adaptation in terms of how you build your organizations and how we bring in the technical solutions, and not only go for digital transformations. Europe is really catching up because Europe is creating a solid startup base, and especially or in particular for procurement and supply chain. There are a lot of smart niche solutions on the market and developed over the past 3 to 5 years, which are coming now into a more mature stage, which is really like a grown up, let's say, software solution for organizations, which can help also, let's say, teams in the Americas and Asia. But again, it's like the speed of execution and really like the way of working with new digital tools. I think Europe really has to take a next step to be more quicker, to anticipate much quicker. But I think the technology is there, and the willingness for the teams to learn. So that's what I see when I think on different geographies. I think in Asia, it is of course like full speed ahead. So it's like a lot of, let's say, development in emerging countries. What I think is like is really helpful in engaging with Dialectica in expert calls or consultations for clients is really you can broaden your horizon, and it's not only that you can paraphrase what you have gained and learned in your career, and you can share the knowledge with whatever the client is requiring to talk about, but it's also it's not a one-way street. It's a dialogue. And I came out of every call and learned also a couple of new things, or type of new perspectives, which helped me also to expand my horizon. So it's not only the monetary thing, which you can have some enjoyment from, of course, but it's more the exchange of the knowledge and getting new perspectives, and of course helping this client.